This is Ruger that I have here. This is the walking horse that was really worried about being mounted. And when he would go to walk off, he would just kind of spook forward. And I spent a lot of time getting up and down, but this has been a slow process getting him to relax. I think when he was originally started, I feel pretty confident when he was originally started, they just got on him, and as soon as they hit the saddle, they went off forward. And with him in particular, I just worried him. And I think he didn't really get a chance to comprehend and accept what was happening. So what I've had to do is get up and down a lot. See, his head is up like it was before, but his body's not as stiff as it was. There, see, starting to relax. Much, much better. Now let's walk a couple of circles. I'm gonna gently ask him to walk forward, tip his nose to the side just a little bit, and let's see if we can get a nice, easy walk forward. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. See how quick his neck relaxed down? Much, much better. We're gonna walk a couple of circles. The whole point of what he needs to do is he just needs to relax. He's a nice horse. He's not a bad horse at all. He don't want to be bad. He was worried. I think when they originally started him, I don't think he had the saddle time on him that he was presented to have. And I think he was just pushed hard and quick. And he was scared. Didn't get the chance to understand what was happening to him. So I've spent a lot of time doing this, on and off a few times. And then we'll go ride in the woods. I'll do that in a minute. He needs to get comfortable with me getting on and off. Whoa. Now I need to get his respirations up, and then I need to get them back down. I like that I really had to encourage him to go forward. In the beginning, he was kind of jumping forward on his own because he was scared. Come here. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Whoa. Take my time getting up. I want to make sure that if he was to bolt forward, I'm in a position that I can't make it worse. I really think we're about done with that. Now let's walk forward again. Good boy. I like how he lowered his head and then he walked off. I'm not really trying to force him to put his head in any particular place. I just want him to relax and let him put his head where he wants it. Now let's go to the right. I like to use these circles right here. It kind of lets the horse relax into a circle, and it's also a constant reminder that I'm asking them to do something. I'm being their leader. If I just give him his reins and just go, then he doesn't have a leader. And part of his problem was he was scared and he wanted a leader. Go, he actually gave a little to the neck rein there. He needs to learn how to neck rein just a little bit. Needs to learn how to back a little bit. But the first thing I want to do, I want to get his respirations up a little bit. Take a hold of both reins. And let's just ask him to move out a little faster. Doesn't have to be real fast. Just wanting to put some effort into moving. If you remember before in the videos, he was trying to run off with me and I had to pull on these reins a pretty good bit. Now I have the same bit. I want to elevate his shoulders. That's why I had him in this bit to begin with, to get him to gait a little bit better. His gait was pretty poor because he was so stiff. It still needs to improve, but he's not stiff. His body feels really relaxed right now. Feels really good. Let's go the other way. A little bit of left leg, left rein. There we go. There we go. Good job. Go ask for a little effort, a little squeeze with my calves. Ride a little bit faster. Ask him to come up to me. There we go. Doesn't have to be fast. Just want him to put in a little effort to moving. It's getting to the point where I have to actually push him just a little bit, which is where I wanted to get with him, where we needed to be, so that he wasn't just charging off on his own. All right, I'm gonna ride him. I've actually been riding him out a lot. He's been getting better in here, so I needed to get him out, put some miles on him. So I'll ride him. I have been riding him in the power line over there, but I can't video over there. So I'll ride him out. We'll video a little bit riding in my parking lot and show you how he's doing there. I like how my barn is connected to my arena, and we can just ride right through the barn and out the other end. My covered arena is kind of like a hub, the middle of a wagon wheel. I can ride from there to my big arena, my outdoor arena, or I can ride from there into the barn, out to the woods. Wanting to go over where we've been riding. Been spending a good bit of time over there riding the power lines. That's where he was trying to go. Whoa. Good boy. I'll step off of him here. This is going to end up being a really nice horse. It's taken a little bit of time to get him where he would start to relax. I can't force him into relaxing. I can just keep showing him there's nothing to be worried about. So this is Ruger. I'll put a link up here to the other videos that I've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.